Hey and welcome on this channel. I am Mika. You may already know me as Time Eyes, and today we are going over the new cryptocurrency hype surrounding Shiba Inu. I'm going to explain what exactly is going on right now and if you should invest into the new cryptocurrency too. So first of all, what is Shiba Inu? Shiba Inu, or $SHIB, is a cryptocurrency inspired by Dogecoin, which is a more famous cryptocurrency due to the huge trade volume it had a few weeks till months ago. Just like Bitcoin, the Shiba Inu coin is a decentralized currency you can buy, sell and trade yourself. Unlike fiat currency, for example, the dollar, the euro, it isn't controlled by banks, but it is controlled instead by holders. So if you have Shiba Inu coins, you are one of those holders that control the market value. Shiba Inu's gold is very well thought of, and while the currency is based on Ethereum, you do not need to buy Ethereum just to get Shiba Inu coins. You can buy Shiba Inu on websites like Coinbase or maybe even Robinhood in the near future. If you do not have a crypto wallet right now, you can use my ref links down in the description to get yourself either a Coinbase or a Binance wallet with $15 worth of Bitcoin. The goal of the Shiba Inu fans right now is for Shiba Inu to hit 1 cent per coin. How realistic is this goal though? To reach 1 cent per coin, Shiba Inu would need to demolish the market cap, which is created by supply times price, making Shiba have a 4 times higher rise than Bitcoin. And let's be honest, that is very unrealistic. The goal of the Shiba Inu creator isn't even to the 1 cent goal. It is just purely the goal to outperform Dogecoin, which it was inspired by. And if you ask me, the goal is way more realistic. Obviously, Shiba Inu isn't a serious currency. You won't be able to pay for your barber with it. You won't be able to pay for your restaurant trip with it. But that isn't the goal behind Shiba Inu. The goal for Shiba Inu is actually just the community and the family-like bond you build behind that. It's more like a collector's item that rises in worth, you know, like Pokemon cards, for example. So my personal opinion is that you should definitely invest in the coin and join the hype without spending your life savings. Do not pour fucking $100k in it, except if you have the money. If it's pocket money for you, then do whatever you want. But me personally, I put $50 in it. If I lose the $50, so be it. Obviously it hurts because it's $50, but it's not the end of the world. The thing is though, if it actually skyrockets and the price spikes up, then $50 will yield a good return. Good enough at least for me to be satisfied, at least for the short run, right? So will the coin actually spike? It's really hard to answer, right? If the coin will actually get listed in Robinhood, my prediction is that the coin is going to absolutely skyrocket, go past the moon, near the Mars, okay? It's going to go absolutely mental. I don't think it's going to hit the 1 cent mark, but I do think that it's going to get close to it. But if it doesn't get hosted on Robinhood, I do not think that it will spike up that much. Obviously there will be some fluctuation in the price, right? It will go up a bit, it will go down a bit, but if it doesn't get listed on Robinhood, I think it will just end like Dogecoin, maybe even in the same price range, but it definitely won't go up as high as you would expect. So the TLDR is basically, let's wait and see what the future brings us, but don't forget the fun on the way, right? Because is investing really investing if you don't live it to the fullest? Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please remember to press the like button, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and leave a comment what you want to see next. I'm going to try and upload 3 videos per week. So obviously we have like a lot of topics we're going to talk about. Thank you and see you again.